Seeing the screen on your Acer Nitro 5 flicker while gaming, browsing, or watching videos cannot be good. Many users notice random flashing, brightness changes, or the display blinking unexpectedly after updates or graphics setting changes. Sometimes the flickering appears only during games, while other times it continues even on the desktop screen. In many situations, an Acer Nitro 5 screen flickering issue can happen because of refresh rate settings, graphics driver interruptions, display communication problems, or temporary software glitches. Before changing random display options or assuming the screen is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore smoother screen performance on the Acer Nitro 5 properly. 1. Restart the Acer Nitro 5 completely and check whether the screen flickering improves after startup finishes normally. 2. Open display settings and confirm the Acer Nitro 5 uses the recommended refresh rate for the screen. Number 3. Update or refresh graphics drivers. If the flickering started after software or gaming related changes. 4. Lower brightness briefly and test whether the Acer Nitro 5 display becomes more stable afterward. 5. Connect an external monitor and check whether the flickering appears only on the laptop screen or everywhere.